Guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. So we're in the garage. Today we're looking at a really cool accessory. This is from a company called Aerogogo. It's an inflatable mattress that goes in the back of the Model Y. When you have it on camp mode, you can camp in this car. So that's a really cool feature. So let's look at this product and then let me show you how the camp mode works in this car. All right, we're inside the Model Y and there's a really cool feature that all Teslas have, and that is the camp mode. So if you touch on the climate control button here and you go to camp, so see where it says camp there? Camp. So it says here, car will stay until battery reaches 20%. Sentry mode, security alarm, and walkway door locks will be disabled. But it's kind of a low power mode where it's going to keep the climate control on and it's going to keep the power outlets activated so you could like charge your device. The cool thing is when you're in camp mode, you can still watch the Tesla Theater. You could stream YouTube, Netflix, Hulu. As long as you have your Wi-Fi signal or you have your premium connectivity connected, you could watch videos while you're laying down in the Tesla. Let me show you how the back seat lays down and then we'll get the mattress pumped up. All right, we're in the back of the Model Y here. This is the 5-seater. The 7-seater would work the same way, but it has the cool storage underneath here. So you can put all your camping supplies there. We could store this mattress there when we're not using it. But the back seats fold down and really gives you a lot of room. And this is where you can really lay out in the car and really enjoy the camping mode in this. So if we go up here to the back of the seats, there's just these little latches right on next to the headrests. We just push those down, knocks those down, or we can use these buttons right here on the side. So we just touch those buttons there and knocks those down. So you can either manually push them down or you can do them with the buttons here. You do have to manually pull them back up. They will not electronically fold back up. But you can see there, we've got quite a bit of room there. Okay guys, this is the air mattress. This is from Aerogogo. The cool thing with this one is it has a built-in pump. So it's going to pump up really easily and it's going to deflate very, very easily as well. And it's customized to fit the contours of the back of this area, so it's going to fill up all the space here. Two adults here could sleep here in the back really easily. We have the two front seats. They're pushed all the way forward. They're not reclined, so that's going to give us the most room with the air mattress. A couple accessories we have. Looks like we have a little patch in case we get a hole. That's cool. We have a little 12-volt socket, so we could plug this in right back here. And we've got a USB-A to USB-C. Okay, so here we want to just roll this out. All right, so this area in the back here, this is kind of like the driver's side rear part of this. So this is the inlet area where the air is coming in. Here is the outlet. You take this off when you're ready to deflate it, and this has its own little fan, so this will just suck the air out. So you don't have to worry about the air staying in there. This will just suck the air out. So this has a battery. So there's a USB outlet right here. We could plug this in. And it works without it being plugged in, so as long as it's been charged. So see how we have that plugged in there? We've got that plugged in. And this little stopper here on the inlet side, we just pull that out. All the air is getting sucked in through there, and it's kind of a one-way valve. So we just push that button there, and it's going to start pumping this up. So let's just get this pumped up and see how long that takes. Now, this mattress does not support simultaneous charging and inflation, so you'll want to make sure that this mattress has been plugged in and charged up prior to wanting to use it. All right, this thing inflated like in a couple minutes. This was really quick. To turn it off, you just push the button here to turn off the fan, put the plunger back over the hole so the air doesn't come out. We're going to unplug this. It doesn't come back off. It's going to help hold the air. This is really firm here. You do want to make sure you get the front seats all the way forward and then the backs all the way forward to get this in. All right, with the seats all the way forward, this mattress is almost 7 feet long. So you almost have a 7-foot long sleeping area here. So that's plenty for really tall people. And then you have really a lot of nice room to be able to lay down and relax here. Let's have a contour part where it's kind of like a pillow. You could definitely use your own pillows here. But there's these straps at the front, and these straps clip into the seatbelt holder area. You can adjust the length so that way it gives it a little more support up here at the front. So that's holding it there. It's resting on this armrest area here, and then you have another strap on that side as well, kind of holding it and giving it support so it doesn't fall down on the sides here. All right, just doing an initial test laying on this thing. This actually holds weight really well. I can't feel the bottom. It's comfortable. I like that the Model Y it's kind of like inclined a little bit. So you have a little incline to your head, and 2 adults could fit in this really easily and sleep in here very comfortably. So I like this. Really feels very comfortable laying on it. All right, here we have the kids testing it out. Kids are excited to use this because it's kind of fun for them to lay inside the Tesla here. The fact that you can camp in here and you got the climate control keeping it at your set temperature is pretty awesome, that you can just sleep in here. All right, when it's time to deflate this, it's actually really easy. This cap here for the air out, as soon as you take that off, the air is going to come out. A big rush of air is going to come out. And then you can turn the little fan that will suck the air out of this, so that way all the air will be sucked out, and then you can fold it up really tightly into that bag and store it away really easily. So see here, I just take off this lid. Okay, and it deflates, and then I can turn on there's a little fan inside of here. Hit that. Now it's blowing air out of this, so it's going to deflate down all of the air. All right, in the matter of like less than a minute, all of the air is sucked out of this thing, and we're ready to take off our seatbelt holder clips on the side there, and then we can just fold this back up. All right, to get all the air out of it so you can put it back in the bag, you want to open the cap on the outlet side, and that's at the top here, and then I just have it folded in thirds, and then if I just kind of slowly roll it up, it'll force all the air out to the top, out of the outlet, and that's the way you can really, if you need to really get it tight and compact, we could do that. So we could just and then I have my outlet cap off, so I can just force all that air out of there. All right, this goes back in the bag pretty easily. Once you get all the air back out, you just roll it up, tighten it down, and we can store this away. Cool thing is you can store this in the car and all those compartments, and it's ready to go for next time. All right, guys, overall, this is an impressive mattress. I really like this. The fact that it has that really small, compact, battery-powered fan to blow air in and to suck air out. It makes this thing really easy. I mean, this thing inflates in around a minute, deflates in around a minute, so super easy. Has the charging cord. I like that you don't have to plug it in. It can run off its own battery power once it's charged up. So really simple, really easy to use, and it's a great use of the space here, especially with Tesla in this camp mode. The fact that you can sleep in the car, it keeps the temperature what you set it at, makes it very comfortable. So a very versatile car, and this is a great mattress, air mattress for your car from Aerogogo. So big shout out to them for partnering with us on this video. Be sure to see the link down below. Guys, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.